Shirley Cha-Cha Muldowney is an iconic name in the world of drag racing, having broken barriers as one of the first women to truly dominate the sport. She's a symbol of the golden age of American drag racing, and now, there's a tribute car that honors her legacy in the most outrageous, over-the-top way possible, a 1969 Chevy Nova restomod that is as powerful as it is jaw-droppingly beautiful. Built by the team at Red River Customs in Gainesville, Texas, this isn't your ordinary muscle car restoration. Known for their work on restomods that pay homage to the glory days of American muscle, Red River Customs went all out to make this build a fitting tribute to Muldowney's fierce competitive spirit and legendary status in drag racing. Enter Cha-Cha, a 632 cubic inch, 10.4-liter, big block-swapped Chevy Nova that puts out a massive 1,004 horsepower, a nod to the very same kind of machines Muldowney once raced in. Under the hood, there's no lightweight aluminum block or turbochargers. Instead, this monster relies on sheer cubic displacement, with a naturally aspirated Chevy big block engine that's packed with forged internals and a custom intake system. What really stands out here is the Motion Raceworks Icon throttle body, which promises lightning-fast power delivery, perfect for a car that's been designed to honor drag racing's roots. This is the biggest crate motor Chevrolet has ever sold OEM, and it's a feat that may not ever be surpassed. To keep this powerhouse running at peak performance, two massive 12-inch cooling fans help regulate the heat, while K&N air filters on either side of the engine provide optimal airflow. And if you thought the over-the-top details stopped there, think again. This car isn't just about power, it's a showpiece. The exterior is coated in sparkling berry candy paint, with accents of royal amethyst and switchblade silver, including the carbon fiber hood and fender linings. This Nova is a true eye-catcher. But it's not just about looks. The car is designed to perform, with an extreme high-mount independent rear suspension from Santec, adjustable coilover shocks, and bare 14-inch 6-piston brakes to ensure it handles like a modern sports coupe. The tire setup is equally impressive, with Michelin Pilot Cup 2 tires that provide a solid grip on the road, making the Nova as functional as it is stylish. Inside, the tribute to Muldowney continues with cutting-edge technology and custom details. A Holley Pro 12.3-inch gauge cluster and an auxiliary screen give it a modern touch, while a massive infotainment screen featuring a portrait of Shirley herself gives this car a unique personality. The laser-etched names of each drag strip where Muldowney earned one of her 18 national titles and 4 world championships are intricately engraved into the leather seats, further cementing the connection to the racing legend. From the custom Cha-Cha foot pedals to the leather-wrapped billet steering wheel, every detail on this Nova is meticulously crafted. The build is so extravagant that it could sell for well over $1 million when it crosses the auction block at the 2025 Barrett-Jackson collector car auction in Scottsdale, Arizona. In fact, if it goes for anything less, it might just be the steal of the decade. This car isn't just a tribute to a legendary figure, it's a symbol of the American muscle car era, power, and history. And for those lucky enough to see it in person, Cha-Cha is a rolling testament to a woman who left an indelible mark on the world of drag racing.